Hi everyone, it's Catherine again, here with Coupon Cart Club, just with another, you guessed it, unboxing video that we're gonna do. Hi everyone, it's Muffins from Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99. When it's free stuff Friday. So, as you guys know, I work with a company called Influenster. You just sign up for them, you do a few surveys, they ask you what you like, you know, what kind of makeup you wear, different things. They do also have for men, they have for animals, like they have for guys, it doesn't matter. All you do is sign up, you fill out a couple of surveys, and every so often they ask you if you want to be involved in doing a Vox box, what they call Vox box. And then they let you know, and then they send you stuff in the mail. So as you know, throughout my channel, I've just been doing a lot of these unboxing from Influenster. So I gotta thank them first. But let's get into this one because I have a feeling I'm gonna like it because it says fragile liquid, handle with care, and I keep shaking it, you know. But I got my trusty scissors. So I guess let's get this started. Ooh. Don't cut my face. Influencer, so you can see it there. All right, so it is from Influencer, of course, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift. Now, I have tried the older version before, but this is the new and improved one, so I'm going to be checking it out this time around. The latest in anti-aging skincare awaits. Powerful ingredients, visible results. I'll be the judge of that, but let's open it together and see what we got in our trusty dusty book. All right, so let's check it out. First, we have a step-by-step program that they gave me. Get started, log into an influencer, try your serum for 30 days, share your reviews on Instagram and Influencer. So yeah, basically what happens is they give you this free stuff, you try it out, you send in your reviews, and that's it. In order to use this, use 2 nights per week before moisturizer, use every other night, and week 3 use nightly after using SPF in the morning. Well, I don't really use SPF because you know my melanin skin, but so this is the Revitalift Derma Intensive Night Serum. Oh, so I actually haven't used the night serum before. I've used the day serum, and so this is actually a new one. So I'm excited to try this. Visible, reduce, even deep wrinkles, and smooth texture. Yeah, cause I'm getting a little old in here. My birthday is actually next month. I'm getting a little up there in age, you know. So I guess I kind of need this. It is available for all skin types, absorbs quickly, does not clog pores. Allergy test, fragrance free, paraben free, silicone free, dye free, and mineral oil free. Apply 2 drops to clean dry skin in the evening before you moisturize. Always follow with broad spectrum SPF in the morning to protect your skin. I guess it probably has something that, like, I guess invites light into your face. But I'm going to see how it works because I'm actually going to try it without the SPF because I don't normally use SPF on my face at that. So we'll see what happens and what it looks like. Your skin will need time to get used to this powerful ingredient, so it is important to introduce it gradually. So that's why the little step-by-step that was on here was just explaining how to do it for the first week, and then the second week and the third week, how you're going to deal with it, because it might be a little intensive if you just try to do it every day. But I'm excited. I think that this is gonna be great. Let's open this bad boy up. My nails are a little annoying, so you know. But aren't my nails cute? Don't you think they're cute? I like this color. It's like a sea green or something like that. Oh, this is a big old bottle. It's nice. Guys, check that out. Ooh, it's kind of milky. It's kind of milky. It does have the directions on here. Apply drops to clean dry skin in the evening before moisturizer. Yep, pretty much it is simple as pie. Let's see. I'm gonna check this out and try out how it's gonna work out. I will let you guys know throughout my journey of how this Revitalift for the night serum is, because I know I did the daytime serum I think like 2 years ago. If you guys want me to check it out, I'll probably try to link the video down below so you guys can see how that went, or even like just a couple of clips from back then. Hopefully I still have them. Hopefully. If not, oh wow. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. This is really good. It looks great. A little milky. I'm a little worried about putting it on my face, but you know, I think it should be fine with everything that it is. But I think that that's amazing that you know, L'Oreal Paris decided to work with Influenster again, because then we get these great products and you get to try it out. And if it actually works, I'm a big firm believer in like buying products after, you know, I really like it. So most of the time what ends up happening is I do some of this stuff through Influencer, and if I really like it, I end up starting to purchase it, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow set thing. Once I finished that, I had bought another kit, which was really amazing, and I really loved it. But yeah, I think that's great. So I'm going to actually try this out right now as like our first step, because you know, we're at nighttime anyway. I do have a clean face. I did put some lip on though, so you guys can see my lip. Anyway, but I'm gonna show you guys, and then you can check it out, and then you know, I'll let you guys know. But let's get this bad boy started. I'm a little close, it's weird. So do I just like, wait, it's so milky. All right, oh my gosh, this is probably gonna be weird. Ooh. Ooh. For the record, my face is clean. Don't judge me. Like I said before, I just put on a lip, and ooh, it actually feels kind of good. It smells alright too. A little basic smell. It doesn't have anything and it's too heavy. I think that's great. I'm giving some on my eyebrows. My eyebrows some love, because it needs it. It needs a little love. Ooh, it feels so soft. Like when I'm rubbing it in, it feels so soft. And it's like making my skin like really soft. Like the spot where I put it on my forehead, it's extra soft. And then I'm down here and I'm rubbing it in, and it's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. I really like it. Making my face look a little shiny, but that's okay. I know that once it dries out and then I add my moisturizer, I'll be good to go. But it's starting to look good already. Look. All right, beautiful people, thank you so much for listening and watching. And for my friends who would like to join our Facebook group, I'll put a link down below. And if you want to join our coupon meeting, we have a digital one every Tuesday. All you have to do is just send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, I hate to say it because I just like love our time together and I feel like it's cut a little short, but that's okay. Soon come, we'll have more stuff to go over and definitely a lot of couponing stuff that we're going to be doing. Also, make sure that you guys check out my Snapchat and my Instagram. I usually post my haul videos or what I'm going to pick up or any coupon deals on there. Sometimes it doesn't make it here. I'm sorry. But definitely go check that out. Follow, send a little like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you beautiful people soon. All right. Bye.